Okay, hey guys, here is my another unboxing video for a lot of EXO stuff, and mostly it was coming for Nature Republic. And this they're standing door. I got a whole set, 12 members, and this is their calendar set and the special photo book, and also the official seasons branding calendar of official. So I will show you about the Nature Republic stuff first, because this is the main stuff I want to unbox it. So wait a moment. And I have 12 members standing. Oh, okay. Door. Chanyeol. Also with the signature here. Sehun. Baekhyun. Luhan. Sorry, this morning, so my voice is something and it's feel not good. Like Chen. I don't know why it has a little damage here, but it's okay. Kai. Chris, Tao, Dio, Xiumin, and Soho. A totally Tao. They look so pretty. It's so cute. And I have got this. This is the calendar set. And so your hair has a sticker, you can pick it up. And this is the calendar cards. And this is something just like you can put it standing here and put the cards look like this. And this is the rings. You can fix it in here, you can fix it just like this, okay? So this is the cover. And the paper set. Okay, this is the first page. Group. January. Baekhyun, January again. February here. February, Chanyeol. March. Sehun, March. April, Dio, May, Kai, June, Soho, the back is July, Chris, July, and the back is August, Tao, September, Chen, and the back is October, Luhan, the back is November, Xiumin, the back is December, and the last one was Lei. So they look so pretty. And also the braids here. And also the special photo book, my favorite one, because the quote is pretty good. And the back. But I think it's just like a calendar set, because the picture is just the same. And also you see another grip shot here. EXO, K, Baekhyun, Chanyeol, Kai, Chanyeol, Sehun here, and other three. Sehun as well. Dio, Baekhyun, Soho, Dio, and also another EXO, K, Kai, So again, and then another 3 members. So OT12 group shot. It's very pretty, beautiful. XOM, Luhan, Xiumin, Lei, and the group shot from OT6 from XOM. Chris, Tao, and other three members. Chen. And this is the behind the screenshot. Okay, looks so good. And the last one is the main structure. Okay, the calendar set. Your calendar, and this is the schedule book. Ooh. Okay, and this is just like a box, and I will show you this first. Wait a moment. Here. I don't like this design because I have to break. Schedule 2014 January, February, March, and the picker Luhan. And I will show you faster. I just show you the picture maybe. Sehun, Xiumin, and December. Okay, Chen. And this is the weekly diary. You can write down your schedule for a week for one page. Kai, Chanyeol, Yo, Suho, and this is just like a lined paper. Baekhyun, and the looked page, the back page. Tao, Lei, and something just like this line page, free corner, and Chris, and the profile information. Last page. Okay, this is the schedule book and the calendar. The most pretty stuff in this calendar stuff. So wait a moment again. I need to pick it out, and you will see. I think the DVD was it's rolled down. The DVD set. Oops. Okay. The DVD, the making file over here, and the sticker, the calendar sticker. Every year you get once. And EXO calendar says group shot, very pretty, and the back page. And it's just a stitch. Oops. Okay. This is the calendar for the whole page, and this is the signature. Okay, Luhan. Boxing, January, Sehun. I don't know, it's ice book, something. I don't know. My English is very poor, you know. Sehun, February. Tennis, Xiumin, March. Chen. I think this one. What is this thing? This thing's name? Sorry. Okay. April. Kai must be football. This stuff. Mate. Oh, sorry. Picked up the wrong. Can you? You shooting. So I think it's maybe boxing. August, September, American football. Towel, ice skating. Play basketball. So handsome, this picture. I love this. And the last one, Chris. In the last page is something about the holiday from this year. So oops. This stuff is I got it today, so yeah. Oh, just ripped it out. And then oops. Really focus. Okay. See you then. Bye.